Ironic, no? May mga nakasulat na nga sa pader, pero ang panghi-panghi pa rin. Isa sa mga lagi mong nakikita ang bawal umihi dito. Not as popular of a sign in other countries, pero dito, parang bawat kanto't eskinita may babati sa'yo. Bakit kaya? Minsan kompleto, minsan pinaiksian. Bawal umihi dito with a number 2 na para bang ka-textmate mo lang. Minsan may pagbanta kapag galit na talaga. 500 peso penalties o mga CCTV nakatutok sa'yo. Minsan pa nga may mga nagva-viral na pinaarteng, actually, bawal umihi here. When the phrase is parroted over and over, it's natural that people get creative with it. But with all of its variations, almost every single one of them is in Tagalog. Pansin mo ba? We've already established that English dominates our landscape. Pero bakit ito naiiba? Bakit hindi do not pee or do not urinate? What is it with the words bawal umihi dito na mas may effect kapag Tagalog?
Bawal umihi is more local, which is Filipino. You won't see bawal umihi in other countries because it is a very Filipino cultural practice.
Usually, ang gumagawa lang naman yan yung mga boys. Diba? Yung girls, hindi naman gagawin siguro ng girls yan.
Siyempre, karamihan po yung mga lalaking mahilig umihi.
Ewan ko pero tayo mga Pinoy yan parang nakagawian na yan Kung saan kaabutan ng pakiramdam mo, tatalikod lang yan.
Narinig mo na ba ang kasabihang pataasan ng ihi? A Filipino counterpart to pissing contest, which in Merriam-Webster's definition is a competition between rivals to determine predominance or leadership. Sa simpleng salita, banggaan ng pride, ego. This is in reference to when young boys would hold competitions on who would pee the farthest. Halata na, sa batang edad pa lang ay nakokondisyon na ang mga lalaki. This isn't something to be ashamed about. Gideon Lasco's book, The Philippines is Not a Small Country, touches on this. Sa mga essay na ginawa niya, one of them chronicled the reasons as to why bawal umihi dito is such a common sign. Sabi niya, it is a masculine privilege to take a piss in a very convenient way. It is one of the most obvious gender differences a child observes as they grow up. Urinating is not seen as an embarrassing activity at all for many Filipino males. It may be labeled as mischievous, but it is not shameful. Bawal umihi dito is evidence that for the men here, the world is your urinal. It's no surprise then na lalaki din ang target ng mga solusyong ginawa. From 2002 to 2009, Bayani B.F. Fernando served as the chairperson of MMDA. During his term, he launched a state-led campaign called Metro Guapo.
The MMDA developed a program to beautify and add a fresh look to the metropolis for landscaping. Landscaping refers to the act of planning, designing, and implementation of a responsible direction for the development of natural sceneries and various open and outdoor spaces.
With that, pink urinals soon scattered about the city, and of course, para sa lalaki lang. Pero hindi pa rin kasi sapat. Maraming nagreklamo na imbes na maayos yung problema ay mas pamanghi pa nga yung mga kalsada.
Kung ganito namang karumi at pakiramdam may kakapit sa damit mo ang amoy kapag pumasok ka, gagamit ka pa rin ba?
It's only a band-aid solution, but not really addressing a public need for public toilet. This cultural practice is also not necessarily innately Filipino, but reinforced by the lack of infrastructure for such type of activities.
Filipinos are disciplined in a city that can't keep up, in a city that fails to make space for them. As we've said before, signage is a reflection, a sign that something's up. If bawal umihi dito signs are still being scattered about, that means there's still a problem, still cracks in the system. Is it the governance? Is it discipline? Is it the effects of urbanization? If we don't start looking into these, if we don't start asking questions, kailan pa ba?
Nakakita ka na ba ng nakakatawa or weird na mga signs sa kalye? Yung tipong mapapahinto ka talaga para basahin, tas pipicturean para ipakita sa friends mo, o kaya i-post sa mga social media? Welcome to our sign map, a map of informal signages spotted by people like you. Easy lang mag-submit. First, click sa lower right ng screen. Upload your own photo ng nakita mong signage, sa computer man o sa phone mo. Then, describe where you found it. Coordinates, street name, landmarks, or kahit rough location lang. This will help us pin down your submission on the map. Pag-iwan ka ng caption, pwedeng funny experience, an observation, or yung rason kung bakit mo siya napansin. Then, click upload. Your submission will be reviewed by our moderators before it appears on the sign map. Want to see other submissions? Just click and drag around the map or swipe if you're on mobile. Tap any sign icon to see the photo and its story. And don't worry, your identity is safe with us. Lalabas ang lahat ng submissions as anonymous.